Institut Clément Ader Albi is a research center of Mines Albi and is part of Institut Clément Ader. Institut Clément Ader is a joint research laboratory of École des Mines d'Albi Carmaux, ISAE Supaéro, INSA Toulouse and Paul Sabatier University. The laboratory has overcome a major milestone since it has been approved as an outstanding research lab by CNRS. Today, ICA is a CNRS mixed research unit. Well graded in the core of the research lab network of École des Mines, ICA Albi is an active member of the Carnot Mines Institute too. ICA employs 250 people, 70 located in Albi. They develop research programs on the mechanics of materials, manufacturing processes, structures and systems, mainly on aerospace applications. In Albi, research topics mainly deal with new materials and manufacturing processes, toolings for forming and shaping materials, non-destructive measurement techniques based on optical sensors. More than 80% of our activity is made with industrial partners, and a significant part is developed in close collaboration with academia at different scales. Our facilities are installed in 2,000 square meter premises, including research laboratories and the platform Mimosa for aerospace materials, manufacturing and active monitoring. Some facilities are dedicated to materials characterization, transformations upon manufacturing and engineering properties. They include optical, confocal and electron microscopes. Ten mechanical testing machines allow characterizing materials up to 1600 degrees. The high-temperature investigation of materials is conducted using standard tests, but also specific laboratory-made tests. Beyond mechanical testing, activity extends to physical, chemical and metallurgical transformation versus temperature using DSC, TGA and X-ray diffraction. Oxidation and corrosion, thermal fatigue and high-temperature wear and tribology rigs, thermal treatment furnaces. Other important facilities deal with process pilots, often developed in the lab and implemented to investigate processing at the industrial scale. For instance, the injection press for short fiber composites or the reed for liquid processing of long fiber composites. Some pilots have been specially designed for duplicating critical loading conditions of a given process. This is the case of our facility to study wear of the high-temperature deep drawing and cutting tools for high-performance steels. Platform Mimosa is dedicated to emerging processes for which scientific and technical gaps are still significant to get over before they are properly used in industry. Investments were made to acquire equipments both implemented in small, medium and large-size companies or conventional partners. Relative to metrology and instrumentation, active monitoring is one major topic developed at Mimosa. Optical sensing for measuring kinematics and temperature field distributions is a strong research activity of ICA. which runs a large number of stereo vision rigs, cameras, pyroreflectometers devoted to develop new measurement methods, often implemented on our test facilities. Numerical modeling and simulation often extend our research activities, giving a beneficial and often necessary balance between an experimental and a numerical approach. On the one hand, modeling involves prevalent phenomena and mechanisms allowed to compare to those observed experimentally. On the other hand, modeling and simulation is now essential in the industry, for instance, to predict the behavior of a material or a part upon manufacturing and/or service. This synthetic presentation of Institut Clément-Ader Albi is now concluded. Don't hesitate to contact us or to come and meet us if you want to obtain any complementary information and details on our activities.